Yeah, whoa, look, ay, randomly invenda leves. Dalan zama most times, I admit that it hurts. I've been talking to God, so zunbone kelk. I don't mind the bullshit, villain role it tank. Middle finger to my time, I is my mama, I thank. If it wasn't for my mama, ngending eko glendao. I just know my mama praying, go to moyo ngendao. And I know she grew up hard, siyeskela ngenyao. Amehlala kubazali, griza ngena kwa mali. And ngenxa yothanda isikolo wayezondo yilali. Ngokunyana uphanda imali and unyana kalali, nyana kadlali. Slam so unyana uneplan, nyana unestyle. Dripping, ever nascad, fate and your light. Them was taking me light and now I be nice. Them is making up lies, I'm getting two heads while you rolling your dice. If rappers is beefing, then I'm Shanja you bright. Pause no homo, I eat rappers like lunch. Oh go, ways I'm go line. The numbers are up, I just tap or I swipe and maybe I slide. Still get gig with my guys, I'm making these racks. Then send some kumakas, conveying in the egg. I won't lose my focus and shout at K-Rock. That boy more like my cars, I'm more like my brother. Yes, I'm hard, yeah, harder, I'm hard. On the greens I try not to use the powder. Hard on the greens I try not to use the powder, yeah. I try not to use the powder. And nyan spirit ngat siapel kum. Dala nyamezel but still is in that's this loom. And I'm getting tired, I'm really getting tired. I said that I would get it and I've never been a liar. To make it and to eat are probably my deep desires. I'm thugging in the streets and we only sharing lighters. Black clothes and black shooters, I don't hang with fighters. My black friends with me with dreams like Goliath. Dreams of designer. I soak a fuck, hating on me, my nigga, I'm wishing you luck, yeah, wishing you luck, yeah, wishing you luck.
I don't go to church, but I give the faith, yeah. Give the faith, keep the faith, yeah. Keep the faith, yeah. Whoa. I don't go to church, but I pray every day, yeah. Yeah. Give the faith, keep the faith, yeah. Keep the faith, yeah. Whoa. I don't go to church, but I pray every day, yeah. Every day.
Is that Chris?